Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your maths tutor Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education, and our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System. And I hope everyone remember our website. It is www.vlearning.in. So at the same time, we'll be going live both in our website and as well as our YouTube channel. And the messages which you chat in the website is all encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? In the previous session, we have started with a new chapter that was rational numbers, right? So we have learned types of rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers, and many problems also we have solved. I hope you remember everything. If not, please go back to the previous session and have a look. Now, what is in the next thing we are going to learn? In the next concept, we are going to cover the operations of rational number. So as soon as you listen the word operations, so obviously it is plus, minus, into and division over there. So that is, we'll be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational numbers now in this session. Let us look up for the first concept now. Now the first concept is addition. So under addition, we are solving two problems. So before making or solving the addition over there or doing the number line concept, you have to make sure and you have to check the denominators. So now there is one important rule you have to remember while solving this. If the denominators are same, then put the same denominator. So this you have to remember. Now how shall we solve the first problem? So it is 7 by 3 plus of minus 5 by 3. First you have to remove the bracket. So now bracket is nothing but into operation. So this we have learnt in a primary grades, right? Now you can do by two methods also. One is by the number line, by the help of number line, or direct solving. So we shall do the first problem by two methods also. So now how to solve this one? So since the denominators are same, we are not touching the denominator. So make sure you write the same number, that is 7 by 3, same fraction. Now what is bracket? It is into, plus, into, minus. So now it is minus. Now the bracket is not there. So it becomes 5 by 3. So now this is nothing but divided by 3 remains the same. And now what is over here in the numerator? It is 7 by 5. So this becomes 7 minus 5. This is obviously 2 by 3. Now how do I need to move? Should I need to move forward or should I need to move backward? Well, it is backward. Why? Because there is minus operation. So now 7 by 3 is located over here. So now 1 time, next 2 time, next 3 time, next 4 time and next 5 time. So which is the number I am getting? 2 by 3. I hope you understood. So both the methods if you do also, you have to get the same answer. Now how about this one? So let us do by the normal calculation. So minus 11 by 5 plus 7 by 5. So since there are same denominator, make sure you write the denominator. Now how about this one? Minus 11. Is there any brackets? No. Keep the operation as it is, plus 7. So now after this one, minus 11 plus 7. You can do directly. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, this is 4. Is my answer correct? No. Put the greater number sign and subtract the number. What is the greater number sign? It is minus and denominator remains the same. So what is your answer? So now the answer is minus 4 by 5. So two things you have to remember. If it is same sign, put the same sign and add the number. If it is different sign, put the greater number sign and subtract the number. I hope you understood the two method. But here in this chapter, we'll be solving more regarding this method itself. Now, let us look up for the next concept, that is additive inverse. So what exactly is additive inverse? Additive inverse, the word itself says something which is in reverse. So what you have to do reverse? That is the sign operation. So here the first problem is minus 4 by 7. So what is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 7? Well, that is very easy. So it is plus 4 by 7. How about this one? 2 by 3? It is minus 2 by 3. Now for this question the answer is plus 4 by 7. And for this question, the answer is minus 2 by 3. So I hope you got it. What is the meaning of additive inverse? This question you might get for 1 marks or in the fill up the blanks, or we'll be solving MCQ, right? That is in the next session you might get MCQ questions based on this also. Now let us solve some of the verbal problems. So as soon as you get verbal problem, what is the first rule? So your first rule is you have to start with the statement itself. So since we have solved n number of verbal problems, I'll be doing only the calculation part. Why? Because this part is very important, because so now we'll be solving only the calculation part over here. So the first problem, Sapil walks 2 by 3 kilometer from a place P towards east. So this is very important. So I hope you know the direction. So now east, and then from there 5 by 7 kilometer. What is this type of fraction called? Yes, it is mixed fraction. This we have learnt in our primary grades, right? Yes, so 5 by 7 kilometer towards west. So now this direction is very important. So one is moving forward, again they are coming backward. So that is nothing but it is minus operation, as we did in the number line, right? So now as soon as you go towards the east, again you are returning back. So that is nothing but minus operation. So now where will he be now from P point? So now what is the first thing? The first number is 2 by 3 kilometer from a place P, okay, towards east. So now again west. So that is nothing but minus operation of which number? So that is of this mixed fraction 5 by 7. I hope you will be writing the statement problem. So from point P 2 by 3. Next, the second statement. So from point towards east or west, whatever the statement, you have to read according to the question and then write. So I'll be doing here only the calculation part. So now 2 by 3 minus the mixed fraction. So everything is in the kilometer. So make sure whenever you're solving, whenever you're doing the rational numbers, operations between the rational numbers, it has to have the same unit. If it is not having the same unit, make sure you convert that. Now both are kilometers, I'll be solving directly. So now it is 2 by 3 minus, I have to convert this to improper fraction. So now we know this one into plus. So 7 ones are 7 plus 5. After 7 it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, it is 12 by 7. So now you can ask a question, ma'am, till now we have just seen the denominators with the same number. It was very easy. How about this one? Yes, here you have to take the LCM concept. So what is LCM concept? Whatever you get the denominators, if it is going in the same table, you can do the normal LCM. I hope you know LCM, HCF. We have learnt in our primary grades, right? Now 3 and 7, are they going in the same table? No, these are two entirely different numbers. Obviously, you will be taking the direct multiplication of this, that is 21. Now many students will get confused regarding this, how to solve the LCM part. Now I'll say you the small example or the small trick. Close the numerator. Think only denominators is present. 3, how many are 21? So it is 3 7s are 21. Now close the numerator over here. Think that only 7 is present. So 7, how many are 21? Well, it is 7. 3s are 21. I hope you are understanding this. Now 2 7s are. So that is 14. What is the next operation? It is minus 12 3s are. So 12 3s are, well, it is 36. So now 14 minus 36. So what is 14 minus 36? Put the greater number sign and subtract the number. What is the greater number sign? Minus. So now 36 minus 14, that gives me 22 divided by 21. Now you can leave it over here itself, but let us try converting this to mixed fraction. So what exactly is the mixed fraction? So it is 1 by 21. So we know this one, normal division, 21 ones are 21. The remainder is 1. We'll be writing in the clockwise direction. So it is 1 and 1 by 21 kilometer. Make sure you end up with the units over there. I hope you understood the calculation part. Make sure you write the last statement while solving in the verbal problem also. So now let me repeat it. So now this fraction, and since it is the reverse direction, so minus of the entire fraction. So now 2 by 3 minus 12 by 7. Close the numerator and then multiply whatever the denominator is over here. So 3 how many are? 7 how many are? Then the normal calculation, end up with the mixed fraction, ending with the units over there. I hope you got this one right. So this is one of the very important problem. So now let us move to the next concept, that is subtraction. Now the second concept is subtraction. So what exactly is subtraction? Well, it is the same thing as we did for the addition. If denominators are same, just put the same denominator and then subtract the thing. But here in these two questions, here it is different denominator. And how about this one? Well, both are mixed fraction. You have to convert that to improper fraction first. How to solve this first question? So as usual, our first rule, 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8. Are the denominators same? No, you have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 7 and 8? Well, it is 56. That is 7 8s are 56. Now, our trick, close the numerator, concentrate only on the denominator. 7 how many are 56? So it is 7 8s are. Now again the same rule, close the numerator, concentrate only on the denominator. 8 how many are 56? 8 7s are 56. So whatever is there into something, that is the multiplier, you have to put that to the numerator. 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40 minus 3 7s are 21. So what is 40 minus 21? Well, it is 19 divided by 56. So now, is there any sign I have to put? No, the greater number sign is holding plus. So now, your answer ends over here. I hope you got this one. So what is the subtraction of 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8? It is 19 divided by 56. How to solve the second problem? Well, it is mixed fraction. Your rule, as usual, you have to convert that to improper fraction. So this is into and this is plus. So now move from the bottom, 3 1s are 3 plus 2. So that is 5 by 3. Now minus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 11. So this is plus and this is into 5 2s are 10 plus 4. So this is 14 divided by 5. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? Are they moving or are they coming in the same table? No. So obviously you can multiply. So this becomes 5 3s are or 3 5s are 15. Now our rule, close the numerator, concentrate only on the denominator. 3 how many are 15? It is 3 5s are. How about this one? 5 how many are 15? 5 3s are. So 5 5s are gives me 25 minus. So 14 3s are. 14 3s are 42. So what is the answer? So well, 42, that is the greater number. Greater number, if it is holding minus sign, put the greater number sign and then subtract the number. So that is nothing but 17 divided by 15. So make sure while writing the next step, put the equal to sign. Many students will do this mistake. If they are writing in the horizontal step, they'll write with this symbol. No, it is never approved in mathematics. So if you are moving to the next step, make sure you write the amplification symbol. Now, I hope you are clear with the subtraction operation. You might get verbal problem or you might get 2 marks question as of this. Now, let us move to the third concept, that is multiplication. So the third operation is multiplication. So what exactly is multiplication? You have to just multiply. So now, ma'am, is it just multiplication? No, you have to first check with the crisscross format. So what is exactly crisscross format? So now numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator in the cross format. First you have to check whether they are going in the same table. If so, you have to cancel it and then move further. Let us check for the first problem. So now minus 3 by 5 by is nothing but into 2. First check in the crisscross format. You can ask a question, ma'am, one is rational number and one is just fraction. No, it is. Continue. You can ask a question. One is just normal rational number and one is whole number. Well, as you know, whole number is also one of the type of fraction. How exactly is that? Suppose let us consider your birth date itself. So your birth date can also be represented in the fraction format. So now 2, nothing is there means it is considered as by 1. So if suppose if your birth rate is 7, it is read as 7 by 1 also. So now first check for the crisscross format. So 5 and 2, no. 3 and 1, no. Or 3 and 5, 2 and 1. Are they going in any table? No. So now if they are not going, just multiply it. So what is the next step? keep the minus sign as it is, since there is only one minus sign. So minus 3 into 2, that gives me 6, divided by 5 into 1 will give me 5. I hope you are understanding. So no need to do the decimal thing. You can leave it here itself. Now the second question has two types. So one, here it is divided by the comma symbol. So minus 4 by 7 into 3. So into 3 I can represent it as into 3 by 1. So now minus 4 by 7 into 3 by 1, or just 3 itself? Just 3. Now do the same number or the same problem in the simultaneously. So minus 6 by 5 into 4. So this is what has been given. Check in the crisscross format. Is there anything you can cancel? No, you can't cancel anything. So directly multiply it with the numerator, denominator. Since there is only one minus sign, keep it as it is. So 4 into 3, that gives me 12, divided by 7 into, nothing is there means it is read as 1. So 7 into 1, 1 comma. So minus, since there is only one minus sign, if nothing is there means it is considered as plus. So minus into plus, that gives me minus. So 6 4s are 24 divided by 5. So here it is 2 problems. So it has 2 answers. So I hope you are understanding this well. Multiplication is more easier, right, when compared to addition and subtraction. How about the last problem? Check for the crisscross format. So 10 and 2. Is there cancelling, or is they coming in the same table? Yes. So it is 2 1s are 2 5s are. Again 5 and 5. Yes, they are coming. So 5 1s are 5 1s are. Ma'am, everything is cancelled. No, your answer still comes different. So what is that? Your answer is 1 into 1 and 1 into 1 in the denominator also. That is nothing but 1 by 1, or you can just write it as 1. Many students will do the mistake over here. Since everything is cancelled, they'll put as 0. No, it is always considered as in the same table. If it is multiplying or dividing, it is regarded as 1. You can ask a question, why did you cancel in the crisscross format? Ma'am, you can cancel 5 and 10. Yes, you can do that way also. 5 1s are 5 2s are. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Well, again it remains the same. Whatever or whichever method you come, it has to come to the same answer. So I hope you are clear with multiplication, right? It is very easier. Now let us move to the last operation, that is division. Now the last operation is division. So what exactly is division? So in division, many students get confused with division and multiplication. So just remember division. So from D, you are able to make R. So what exactly is R? R is nothing but reciprocal. So as soon as you get the word division, just remember you have to do reciprocal. What exactly is reciprocal? Just convert numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, but with the into symbol in the next step when you are converting. So here the first question, minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So now keep the minus 4 as it is. Convert the divided by operation into operation. So into. So what you have to do? It is reciprocal. So 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. I hope you are getting this. So now this step is very, very important. If you know this step, then the rest of the answer is very, very easy. So now minus 4 into 3. So what is minus 4 into 3? First check in the crisscross format. So now division goes to the previous concept, that is multiplication. So now this is nothing but the multiplication concept problems, right? Now minus 4 into 3 divided by 2. Check for 2 and 4. Are they going in same table? Yes. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what exactly is the numerator? Put the minus sign as it is. 2 into 3. This gives me 6. So divided by 1. If you write also, don't write also, it means the same. So now by 1 or minus 6 is the answer. How about the second question? Minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. So now this is nothing but minus 3 by 5 into operation. So now into becomes, that is 2 becomes 1 by 2. So here many of the students will make mistake. So 2, then directly write it as 2. So no, it is 2 always written in the reciprocal format. It is 1 by 2. How about the next step? Check for the crisscross format. Is there anything cancelled? No. So directly write the numerators. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3 divided by 5 2s are 10. So your answer is minus 3 by 10. How about the third question? Minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. So minus 2 by 13. First change for the reciprocal, minus 2 by 13 into operation. So now 1 by 7. So that becomes 7 by 1. I hope you are understanding this. Now 13 and 7, is there anything cancelled or 2 and 13? No. Keep the numerator as it is. So that is minus 2 into 7. That gives me 14 divided by 13. So now for the third question, minus 14 by 13 is the answer. How about the last question of this entire chapter? Minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 8 into operation. Now 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. Check for the crisscross format. So now 8 and 4. Yes, they are going in the same table. You can take with 2 also. You can take with 4 also. Let me take with 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So how about the second option? So that is the second step. Minus 1 into 1, that is nothing but minus 1. 2 into 3, that is 6. So your answer is minus 1 by 6. I hope you are clear with the 4 concepts or 4 operations. So what have we learned in this session? We have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So all the 4 concepts has been covered over here. Now what have we learned in the previous sessions? We have learned types of rational numbers. In this session is very important because this concept is being carried forward for all your next standards also. I hope the session was very interesting, right? If so, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon over there to get the live schedule of our updates. And you can catch us in our Facebook page as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there. What is in the next session? In the next session, we'll be playing just with the 4 options over there. That is, we'll be doing the MCQ problems. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.